Hello friends and potential friends. Well, today is November 3rd of 2024. It's a nice day here in Central Florida. It's about 84 degrees. Little bit overcast. In fact, I feel a few slight sprinkles hitting me as I record this. But I'll take the rain. After the raccoons got into the garden the other night, I decided I had to get the fence heated up. So I've spent the last couple of days going around putting cardboard down under the fence everywhere and basically getting it cleaned up so that I could turn it on. And I did have it turned on last night. I'm getting up around 5 amps, I think, of charge on it, but I'd like to get a little bit more. There's still a few spots like that you can see right behind me where these sweet potato vines are climbing up the fence and potentially shorting it out. So since I'm hoping to have sweet potatoes as part of my Thanksgiving dinner this year, I figured I'd better go ahead and dig these things up, see what I can find, and get those vines off the fence. I've got two areas. Right behind me is where I grew my sweet potato slips, and then over in the far corner there is where I planted those slips. They've both been in the ground for over 120 days, so hopefully we'll find something hiding underneath the ground there. Let me get this set up and we'll go treasure hunting. Well, all of these I found growing outside of the bed. Any place those vines hit the ground, they're liable to put down roots and start making tubers. These ones here look like red taters. That one looks like the regular kind I usually plant. Let's see what's inside the bed. Well, to be honest, that's a little bit disappointing. That right there is the biggest one I found. There's a few more that are a little bit smaller than that. Most of them are little teeny tiny things. But it will be enough for Thanksgiving, especially if I can find some more back there where I grew the slips. So let's go and see what we got back there. Well, this might turn out to be a bust of a harvest. I found a few more tubers. Most of them are long and skinny. I'm finding that the wood that I used to fill in the base of this bed is not very far below the surface. So there's not a lot of room for tubers to be growing in there. But I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of those vines out of the way and then get in there and just see what we can find. Well, all in all, that was pretty disappointing harvest. The biggest one is still that one I found in the ground bed. Most of them are long and skinny, and I'm surprised that a lot of them are red. I wonder what that means. But there will be enough there for Thanksgiving at least. And hopefully I'll have some that I can use to grow slips for next year. So let me get these things curing, and I'll see you next time.